How to achieve your goals and stay motivated in 2021. Part 2.
Even if you already have goals, it can be really good fun to remove all limitations and outline what your perfect life and lifestyle would be. It can be quite surprising if you list your existing goals and may find that they don't take you to where you ultimately want to be. We can divide goal setting into ultimate goals and the intermediate goals that lead up to achieving them. Setting goals gives us an aim and the motivation to go all out for our perfect lifestyle and to lead a happier, more fulfilling life. The very first step to achieving your ultimate goals is to list all of your ideas for your new life. Then you can identify various short-term goals that will take you step by step to your ultimate goals. It doesn't matter where you make these lists as long as your method is easy for you to use and you can quickly retrieve your notes when you need them. Of course, the traditional way is with a pen and paper, which is the way that many people prefer to do it. But for certain, you should carry out this task in the way that you find most easy and enjoyable. We are very lucky these days that we can make notes in multiple ways and on multiple devices. You will also find that you can make voice notes on your mobile phone or dictate to your computer with voice recognition, if this is something which comes easier to you. This process should be something that you really enjoy and not feel like it is an onerous task. This is, after all, the most fundamentally important thing you can do to create a better lifestyle. To achieve anything in this world, we all need a plan to follow. It's also advisable that you perform this exercise when you're in a good mood and relaxed. Moments when you're feeling good, optimistic and positive will affect the goals you produce. You might like to take a walk or visit your favorite place. Anything you can do to put yourself in the best mood will help you produce better results. When you were very young, if someone asked you what you wanted, you would ask for the very best present that you could think of. Now is your opportunity to give yourself the very best presents that you can. You should really reach for the sky when setting your ultimate goals. List all kinds of ideas that excite you. This is the key of an effective goal-setting session. As you dream creatively and list down all the ideas that come to you, you should start to feel a warm glow inside, while you imagine owning or achieving these goals. Start with a goal-setting session that has no limitations. Removing limitations will help you come up with better ideas than when you allow doubt or fear to limit your creativity. You don't have to work out how you will achieve these things at this stage. Imagine you're taking a long journey. You would initially decide on your destination. Then you would pick the best and most effective route. You know you can get to your destination, but not every detail of the journey. When you set off on your travels, you know that there may be deviations and adjustments to make to your route, but you will always know where you are headed. Also think about goals for every part of your life. For example, what do you want to achieve emotionally? What do you want to achieve physically? What do you want for your relationships? What do you want to achieve financially? What have you always wanted to experience? What would you like to contribute? Remember that goal setting never ends and you will constantly come up with new ideas or refinements as you start out on your goal achieving journey. Next to each one of your goal ideas, it is helpful to jot down a target date or a time period for achieving each one. It is almost impossible to stick to a precise time scale, but establishing an overview will give you more momentum than if they are left open-ended. Setting timescales helps to build a sense of urgency and responsibility to yourself. As I've advised earlier, you need to keep a written record of all of your ideas, and I also suggest that you keep all of your previous notes as you update them, so that you can refer backwards and compare your notes and actions. I want to stress again that at this stage you should remove all limitations on your objectives. You should also list the most positive outcome from any problems that you currently have. So remember: 1. Remove all limitations on the goals you set. 2. Start with your ultimate goals. 3. Make a permanent record of your ideas. 4. Make certain you enjoy the process. 5. Make certain your environment and mood are the best possible. 6. List objectives that excite and motivate you. 7. Be prepared to amend and update your goals. 8. Write down a timescale to achieve each goal. 9. Establish what the best possible outcome is for any problems or worries you have. And 10. Make certain you are heading for your ideal life and lifestyle. So now it's over to you. Start dreaming and establishing your ultimate goals and objectives.
If you find our content helpful, please engage with us.
Yes. You can subscribe, ask for notifications, like videos, and even share them with friends.
You can also ask questions in the comment section.
Thanks for watching.